Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into a must-have item for anyone in the medical, food service, or beauty industry: the Medical Nation disposable hair nets. Whether you're a healthcare professional, a chef, or working in a lab, these hair nets are essential for maintaining hygiene and professionalism. Let's start with the basics. These hair nets come in a pack of 100, which is fantastic for keeping you well-stocked. They are 24 inches in size, offering excellent coverage for all hair types, from short and fine to long and thick. This is especially great for those with voluminous hair who struggle to find hair nets that fit comfortably. As you can see, the fit is versatile and secure on both long and short hair. The non-woven, non-pleated design makes them incredibly lightweight and breathable, perfect for long hours of wear. No more feeling hot and uncomfortable under thick, heavy nets. Now, let's talk about versatility. These hair nets are ideal for a wide range of environments. In a medical setting, they're crucial for maintaining sterile conditions, preventing hair from contaminating surgical areas or patient rooms. In the food service industry, they help comply with health codes, keeping hair away from food. And in labs, they ensure experiments and samples remain uncontaminated. In the kitchen, these hair nets are a game changer. They keep your hair neatly tucked away, so you can focus on cooking without worrying about stray hairs. The elastic band is latex-free, which is great news for those with latex allergies. It fits snugly but comfortably, ensuring the hairnet stays in place without causing any discomfort. The packaging is another highlight. It's compact and efficient, making it easy to store these hairnets without taking up too much space. Each hairnet is individually packaged, which is fantastic for maintaining hygiene. You can grab a fresh, clean hairnet each time without worrying about contamination. Putting on the hairnet is a breeze. Just stretch it out, place it over your head, and tuck in any loose hair. The elastic band does the rest, securing the net in place. It's quick, easy, and hassle-free. Let's hear what some users have to say. One customer mentioned, "These hairnets are the most comfortable I've ever used. They fit perfectly and stay in place all day." Another said, "I love that they're individually packaged. It makes them so much more hygienic and convenient for my busy kitchen." Additionally, these hairnets are disposable, making them a convenient and sanitary option. At the end of the day, you can simply toss them away, knowing that you've maintained high hygiene standards. This is particularly important in environments where cleanliness is paramount. Whether you're in a medical, culinary, or laboratory setting, the Medical Nation disposable hairnets are designed to meet your needs. They offer a perfect balance of comfort, coverage, and convenience, making them an excellent choice for professionals across different industries. So, to sum it up, the Medical Nation disposable hairnets are a fantastic investment. They're comfortable, versatile, and incredibly easy to use. If you're looking for high-quality hairnets that will keep your hair securely covered while maintaining comfort, these are definitely worth considering. You will find Amazon's link in the description of this video. Make sure to check it out and keep your workspace clean and professional with Medical Nation disposable hairnets.